We all know that private jets are the best performing aircrafts for travel and missions, but that's no longer the case. This is because helicopters can perform tasks that a private jet cannot. It can respond to more dangerous missions and get you to your destination, even if it means traveling through difficult and rocky terrain. Are you looking for an aircraft with this kind of performance? Welcome to the Luxian channel, where aviation, private jets, helicopters, and airports come in luxury. If you're interested in this kind of content, then this channel is the one for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. Now let's get right into the video. Aeroplanes rule the skies, but helicopters are often used for the most flexible and dangerous missions. The light single-engine category encompasses the majority of utility and commercial helicopters, and it is undoubtedly the most competitive area in the market right now. There's a broad list of strong candidates in this category, with more powerful engines, sophisticated avionics, and other advances. Here are the top 5 best helicopters in the world under $3 million, together with their unit price and technical features. At number 5 is the McDonnell Douglas MD 530F. This is a $2.4 million light multi-role helicopter designed for operations at high altitudes on hot days. The MD 530F surpasses comparable helicopters in its class in humid and high-altitude conditions. Thanks to its 650 horsepower Rolls-Royce 250C30 engine, it has 5 fully articulated foldable blades in its main rotor system and 2 blades in its tail rotor system. It can go at a high speed of 134 knots and has a maximum range of 260 nautical miles or 248 kilometers per hour. The cabin compartment can accommodate 1 captain, 1 co-pilot, and up to 3 passengers. 3-point restraints are used in the passenger seats, whereas 4-point restraints are used in the crew seats. This helicopter features a revolutionary glass cockpit with advanced avionics for simple operation. At number 4 is the Airbus H125. The AS350 is the most recent iteration of Eurocopter's single-engine light utility helicopter, which is now owned by Airbus. This $2.9 million aircraft is extensively used in Africa for law enforcement and anti-poaching operations. It is driven by a 3-blade main rotor with the unique Starflex rotor head, which is powered by a Lycoming LTS-101 engine with a shaft horsepower range of 650 to 850. It has a top speed of 132 knots or 245 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of 357 nautical miles. The most recent upgrades include the incorporation of automatic flight control systems or AFCS and autopilot. It also incorporates hydraulically assisted flight controls, which keep the plane flying even if the hydraulic system fails. This helicopter is particularly competitive in emergency medical care jobs because of its high-altitude performance and short startup and shutdown times. It has the world record for the highest altitude landing and takeoff, which it achieved in 2005 on Mount Everest. At number 3 is the Augusta Westland AW009. This is a multi-mission capable light single-engine helicopter with a streamlined form factor and cost-effective performance, priced at $1.3 million. The PZLSW4 was dubbed AW009 upon Augusta Westland's acquisition of the Polish firm. After PCL Augusta Westland merged with Leonardo Company's helicopter division, this type was discontinued. It can travel 430 nautical miles at high speed and has a maximum range of nearly 260 kilometers per hour. It has a seating capacity of 4 people. A 450 horsepower Rolls-Royce turboshaft engine drives both the 3-blade main rotor and the 2-blade tail rotor. It also includes big avionics display that provides a wealth of information about the environment. The helicopter's intuitive and simple-to-fly platform is praised by pilots, and it's become a popular commercial helicopter for pilot training, law enforcement, passenger transport and utility operations. At number 2 is the Robinson R66. The R66 is a 950,000 5-seater helicopter that is recognized for its dependability, affordability, and ease of maintenance. The two-bladed T-bar cyclic rotor mechanism of this turbine helicopter is state-of-the-art proprietary. Sleek instrument displays, power absorption, and crash-resistant bladder fuel lines are all part of the Robinson helicopter's technology. With over 1,000 units delivered since 2020, it is one of the most popular Robinson helicopters today. A Rolls-Royce R300 turboshaft engine powers the R66. This engine, which operates on commercial jet fuel, has a higher reserve capacity, payload, and altitude performance. It's also notable for having a huge 300-pound cargo hold, making it the first Robinson helicopter to have one. It has a maximum cruise speed of 110 knots or about 200 kilometers per hour and a range of 350 nautical miles with up to 4 passengers on board. Last but not the least, at number 1 is the Bell 505 Jet Ranger X. This $1.5 million Bell Helicopters developed and Bell Textron Canada manufactured helicopter had its public premiere in 2013 at the Paris Air Show and was introduced to the market in 2014. It has a 505 horsepower Safran turboshaft engine and is fitted with a Garmin G1000H glass avionics suite. It has a maximum range of 333 nautical miles at 4,000 feet and a maximum cruise speed of 125 knots. It can carry up to 4 passengers. This aircraft is maneuverable, efficient, and portable. Whether it's visiting the coast, moving people and commodities deep into the mountains, or providing external load services in a congested metro area, we've got you covered. It's also quite adaptable, with the ability to swap between crew, passenger, and cargo modes with ease. It has an open interior design with panoramic views for passengers, yet the chairs may be swiftly rearranged or removed to improve cargo space. Which of the top 5 light helicopters is your favorite? When it comes to heavy-duty performance, helicopters are undoubtedly the best aircraft. These top-performing light helicopters throughout the world will carry you wherever you want to go, whether for tourism, business, or missions. If you want to know more about luxurious air vehicles, then don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel for more luxury aviation videos.